Do you know what cars, planes, and rockets all have in common? They all need specialized tools to assemble them. The kind of tools you can't buy from a tool shop. Did you also know that one of the companies that make these specialized tools is located right here in Pennsylvania? We are heading to Detroit, PA to visit E-Tech and learn more about the cool role they play in our automotive and aerospace industry and to see what's so cool about manufacturing.
To begin, the engineer designs the tool in 3D CAD software, according to the customer's needs. Once the model is perfected and tested, they write special computer code called G-code for the machines that will make the tool. Hey Colin, can you show us how an attachment works?
So let me show you guys how these attachments work. Here's an attachment that we make that's a two-nut attachment.
Next, the machine gets to work cutting out the components. Mitchell is an employee who programs these machines. Hey Mitchell, what is it that you like about working at E-Tech?
Well, there's lots of things. I think the first thing I like about my job is being able to run stuff like this, make some pretty cool stuff for all different applications in aerospace and automotive. Another cool thing is I've been here since I was in high school, so I started way up there with the manual machines, doing stuff by hand. And over the years, I've worked my way up.
That's awesome, Mitchell. Now that's something cool about manufacturing.
The last step is to ensure the tools are accurate and ready to ship to the customer.
E-Tech has a specialized machine to do this, but it is top secret, so do not ask Aaron to show it to you. Hey Aaron, what do you like about manufacturing?
I like that manufacturing is able to solve different challenges and problems, and you're able to create something one of a kind.
One more cool thing about manufacturing, they use lasers. So we're heading home to Towanda High School, and we certainly learned
E-Tech is what's so cool about manufacturing.